They get their shooting from me. In case y'all didn't know, I play basketball in college, high school, and college. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning, y'all. It is Vlogmas Day 3. Y'all can't see, but it is 11:50. We definitely slept in. It's Saturday. We slept in. He was tossing and turning all morning, and I come to find out he had a poopy diaper. That's what was up. So he stayed up this morning and talked for a little bit, and I uploaded my video this morning, and then I crawled back in bed with him and I went to sleep, and we just slept in. And it's really rainy outside. I can hear it. So I don't know, we might just lounge around. I need to make something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna make. I'll probably just make a waffle. Linda bought like those Eggo waffles the other day, like those blueberry ones, so I might have one of those, a couple of those. But we might just be chilling and doing laundry. We leave tomorrow, so I need to get my suitcase and stuff organized to leave, and then just probably pack my car up today just so I'm prepared to leave, because I like to be, when I want to leave, I want to leave. I like to be on time. I like to wake up and be able to just leave. I don't want to have to pack the car in the morning or anything, so that's probably what I'll do. Is that a fake cough, buddy? Is that a fake cough? Yeah, so that's what we got going on today. He's so cute. Look at him, y'all. Show them a little smile. You gonna smile? Say hi. Hi. You don't want to smile for them? There you go. Oh my goodness, you're the best. The reason I had to edit this morning is I literally vlogged until like 8 o'clock, and then I tried to get in the shower and start to edit, and then he woke up, so I'm trying to edit and get him together, and I probably should have just edited, like, you know, stopped my vlog earlier than that and then edited and got it up. But it is what it is. We got it up today, this morning, so we're off to a good start. I don't know if this vlog will be that interesting, since, you know, I'm gonna be packing and just chilling today, but I'll try to make it as interesting as possible once I get up and moving around. As you see in the last vlog, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're trying to get there by Christmas, so if you can do me a huge favor and subscribe to this channel, I would really appreciate that. Y'all, I just got done making breakfast for me and Lindell. He was downstairs being a little fusser. You want some food? You want some food? Is it just me, or when y'all go to like other houses, whether that's like Airbnbs or whatever, it just be like not hard for you to cook, but you just feel out of place because you don't have like your pots, your pans, your utensils. It's just like you don't know what to use. Because that's me. Like, this is the second day I chose the wrong pan for me to make eggs in, and they stick, literally. Like, usually at home I use, what do I use? I use avocado oil to, like, for majority of anything that I make. I use avocado oil. So I don't know, I didn't know what to use. I didn't know what to use, so I just put some butter down on the pan so it wouldn't stick, but it still stuck a little bit. It's really gloomy outside. He loves to try to get my bottles. He loves them. My camera's dying, so I need to switch out the battery, but I'm gonna finish eating and then I'm gonna probably put him back down. He doesn't stay up long once he gets up in the morning. So I'm gonna put him back down. I'm gonna watch my brother's game for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start to fold my laundry. Y'all, my punk is up. Hi, man. You wait until your mom was all done, huh? Hello, Manny. What you doing? What you doing, boy? What are you doing today? Are you going to lay around all day? Huh? Are you going to lay around all day? Alright, y'all. So, y'all know I don't play about traveling. If I'm gonna travel, I'm gonna travel. I'm gonna be ready to travel. I need to have my mind. I need to have my mind together the night before. I'm currently watching my other brother play basketball now. There he goes. I know that's right. That's my brother. They get their shooting from me. In case y'all didn't know, I play basketball in college. high school and college. They get their shit in for me, of course. Of course. They follow in my footsteps. I'm probably about to eat. I don't know if I should eat that pizza or not. I need to get in the shower and then I'll eat. But I don't know if I should eat that pizza or not because my stomach was tore up early this morning. And I don't know if it was from what I ate the night before, that pizza, or what was going on. But I was up like at 7:30 in the bathroom. Hey, baby. He always looks at me. I really think I feel bad because I think he thinks I'm talking to him. Is that you? Is that you? Huh? That's what we have going on. This vlog isn't gonna be too much because, you know, I'm just getting ready to go home. I'm just preparing myself to go home. If we do anything later today, I will keep you guys posted, take you guys with me. But other than that, I don't think I'm doing too much.